more like uranium because it tastes and looks like shit. Pistia. What? What the fuck? What the Pistia. This is the secret tier, guys. We can finally start the battle for Yestring. Yeah. Lithium. I'm not really sure about this one, but I might. What a thing! But stop. Another one is coming. Another one is coming. Oh no. He decided to run away. Alright. It is so incredibly bitter that I would. It is so incredibly. It is. What the hell? It is so incredibly bitter that I would. Get out! 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 Get away from here, you little stupid idiot or something. Argon. I think with this. What the hell? Did you hear that? Get out! Potassium! oh, potassium! Potassium! Have a great rest of your day. Absolute cinema. Credit roll, and everyone just start clapping like. Oh God, I imagine. Oh no, what did I do? Fuck no. People are just gonna take that out of context now. I ruined my whole reputation because of this one joke. Is it even a joke? I don't know. Fuck. I ruined all of it. Let's just hope that no one watched to the end. Alright. I'll think it. Alright. I think I should. Let's make it a tradition to always leave something at the end. Like a song. Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around and desert you, never gonna make you cry, never gonna say goodbye, never gonna tell a lie and hurt you. Okay, bye.